Yo, two, yo, two. Ooh, you two. We got problems, baby. We got problems, you two. You two, we got problems. All right. Good, the bad, and the ugly, baby. So check it out, you two. Came home yesterday. If do a little work on the truck, on the car. The oldsmobile 5.3 rocket. Yes, that's what it is. Oldsmobile 5.3 rocket. I'm gonna put the torque converter bolts in, cam sensor, and I may well take the headers off and see can I get my cam sensor and wires all they ran. But I think I'm gonna run my cam sensor straight down, but I'm gonna run the wire, two wires like I did that. I'm gonna run all the way through. But yeah, but you two, I came home, got one torque converter bolt in, get to turn this thing, it would not move. The motor like it's locked up, it would not move. I took the belt off, got that on there, tightened it, would not move. Went the other way, loosened the bolt, went back, stopped, looked at the transmission, make sure make sure the flywheel on right, the torque converter spinning, so I know that's on right. So I'm like, man, what is going on? Call with my guy, the person may need to do this. Like, nah, that ain't it. Let me call the guy to rebuild it. Call my guy, hey man, did you ever spin this motor over? Because I never spun it over once I got it. He's like, yeah, that motor spun good. I said, man, I can't get the spin. He's like, well, look, I know what's wrong with it because I just came from a shop. He did the same thing. I ain't gonna tell y'all what's wrong with it until I fix it. Then when I fix it, I'll let you know. But just know I gotta do some work real fast. So I'm not gonna video this, but I'm finna get into work, man. So I'm gonna hit y'all back, and hopefully I get that right for the spin. But I know there's a problem because someone he told me what it was. I was like, yeah, that's it. But I got to get to work, man. I got to see. All right, YouTube. YouTube, boy. Holla at your boy, YouTube. I'm talking about, man. YouTube, I thought I had tore up something. I'm talking about motor wouldn't turn over for nothing. I took the belt off, everything. Trying to get this rifle to turn over. And look at her. Got it now, baby. She turning now. All because, I'll show you what happened, YouTube. Let me show you what happened, YouTube. I don't know how I did it, but I should have known it when I put it in the YouTube. I had to slide the whole transmission back off to get to this one bolt. This bolt right here. When y'all go back to that last video I put the motor in, y'all can hear me. Where the camera? Y'all hear me putting this bolt in. Took forever to go in. This bolt was too long. And it was pushing up again and locked everything up. So I had to slide the transmission back. To get to that bolt, man. I got it out of her. She turning out, man. But I am not going to put it back up. I am tired for the day. I hope I can slide the transmission back up. If not, I'm going to get a transmission jack. So I think I can. But you know what, YouTube? That is tomorrow. Cause I am, brother, is tired. I'm tired, but I'm happy. I'm tired and happy. Cause man, I thought I tore up something. Thought the motor was locked up. Or something, anything. But we in there, YouTube. This probably a short 5-minute video. But the LS Oldsmobile 5.3 is back in business, baby. Having the heat off. I'm out here sweating. I need to dry off. I go in the house. I gotta go get me another boat like this, but shorter. Yeah, YouTube. She is turning, man. She is turning in with ease. I had called the guy. Like, that motor turning with ease. That motor got good compression in it. Y'all see it? Turning. Turning, baby. But before I go any further, I got to get that drive shaft in. Transmission, drive shaft in. No, yeah. I gotta put transmission back up. I'm glad I had enough room right there too, man. I'm glad I gotta take the transmission out. But I still be able to jack it back up, push it forward. Slide it back forward, man. Now I can get my transmission jack, but I think I can. The way I pulled it back was, and this how I'm gonna do it. This how I'm gonna do it when I gotta slide the motor back. See, I put a strap on it, and I strap it to the ring, and I strap it. Now when I do the motor and transmission, which I may do that, cause I can't have the drive shaft up there. I can't have the motor, I can't have that up there, cause they ain't gonna slide back far enough. They gonna hit that. Anyway, I'm glad they have, cause I gotta take this pan down. I gotta take this pan down to do something. Put the pan, so I take the pan down with something, cause it be hitting something. So now I can get that plug and plug it in and run my wires. So I gotta take that pan down that way. So it's good it happened. I'm just moving too fast. That's all it was, YouTube. I was moving too fast. Need to slow down, take my time, quit rushing. But I'm trying to hurry up before it get cold though. But yeah, YouTube, the Oldsmobile 5.3 is back in business. We back in business. Get off tomorrow. Slide the transmission back up. Lock it in. I may holler my boy get that transmission jack, man. If I may do. But I can get a boat first. They don't slap me back though. That's alright. I'm happy now though. Woo! I gotta make a thumbnail with that rocket up, boy.